Okay guys, welcome to another askzenler. Now in this little workshop we're going to have a little bit of fun with emojis. Now it's always nice to put a few little emojis in a text world. So that's what we're going to do. So it's really easy. We're just going to go online. There's a site here called getemoji.com and it allows you just copy and paste. That's all we're going to do. So you can see here we've got different types of emojis, loads of emojis. So you could type in here, just maybe type something like happy emoji, search for that. We get a little kind of grinning cat, all these type of things, smiley people here. So you can take these, we go to grinning face for instance, you get a little emoji come up here. We can copy that emoji, come straight into your page, and we'll just put it in there. Control V. There you go. Simple. I quite like the main page because it's got them kind of all in here in position, and you can go through these, have a look, and go, oh, I want a cowboy, so I can copy it there. Control C, copy. So I've selected it. Yeah, just left mouse, drag, control, hold control, press C to copy. Come in here, and we put a little cowboy in here. There you go. So you can have real fun with emojis, and they can really kind of make your page sort of sing a little bit. So copy there. You'll also notice if we put these into down here for instance, that they take on the size of the font that you're using as well. So these can be really cool, really fun to play around with, and yeah, enjoy. So that's how we can add emojis. So you just go to get emojis. There's lots of sites online where you can check out emojis and you can copy and paste them. So you can just copy that one there for instance, not even in the page, and I know it'll work. I can just put it in there and I can just shove that emoji in there, save the page, and you've got a page with emojis on it. So emojis can be really good, not just for the fun aspect, but sometimes they do have things like tick marks and stuff like that, which can be really helpful for adding stuff in. I don't know if I can find any here. Animals and nature, food and drink, activities and sport. So I'm guessing there might be a global, objects, symbols. So symbols can be quite good as well. Got numbers, arrows, a little tick mark here, look. So these can be really handy to grab here. So you can just use emojis to, instead of creating some graphics, you can actually just put some emojis into the place, and that saves you a lot of time as well for things like tick marks. I'm sure there's a tick mark. There'll be also under this, there'll also be a cross as well, so you can play around with those. There's a cross there, so take that. Just trying to find an actual useful way of using those. So there you go. You've got a tick and a cross there, plus some fun emojis. So that's emojis. So this site is really good for that. So getemoji.com. So there you go. That's a little bit of adding emojis and another askzenler.